Hi guys, Tony here, and I'm just doing redoing the sales page here for Bookmark Alpha because we've added some more stuff and there's still some more stuff to put in here. So I thought I'd better take the opportunity and make it really clear what we got here and explain the pricing as well. Okay, now I've got a nice surprise for you at the end of this video as well, so stick around. Okay, so let me just go over to the sales page and I can just run you through what you will see in the sales page where you see this video. Okay, you can see it down here. I've got all of these bullets in here, and this is basically Bookmark Alpha in a nutshell. Okay, now it's working with multiple platforms. Okay, what that means is it's working with Plague sites, it's working with PHP it's working with Scuttle. We've still to add more sites in here. Okay, right now there's 1,300 sites I think in here, with more to come probably in the next few days. Okay, and in here you can also add your own sites. Inside the website manager you can add your own sites in here. It's very simple to do. All you do is click on add sites and you can just add them either via TXT file, a CSV file, or paste them in here. Okay, we've got training on that inside the members area. Okay, so let me come back over here. With the multi-platform site scraper as well, what we can do is we can do filtering so we can avoid bad neighborhoods. Let me show you what that means. Okay, so let's come over to the website manager again, and what we're going to do is click on this button here. It says start scraping sites. Now right now it's only taken for Plague. Okay, if I don't want words like Viagra in any Plague site, I'm going to use this to start crawling. Okay, and we need to add a base keyword in here, so I'm just going to put in SEO, for example. Okay, start crawling, and it will go and start crawling for sites. Now this is being improved. It's just the first version of this scraper, but it will keep getting better. I can guarantee that it will keep getting better. Okay, we'll just keep adding various search strings, testing it, and it will keep improving. And plus we will add for Plague, we will add for Scuttle, plus we will add for PHP Dog and some others as well probably. Okay, so that's what that is all about. Okay, so let me come back over here. We'll go through these one at a time. Now we've got a 301 URL shortener to make your links look natural. What does that mean? In here, the bulk URL shortener, you can see in here, if I go over to results, all you do is put in a URL over here. A YouTube URL is probably going to work really well for you if you're doing video marketing. And you can get all these different variations, short URL variations. And all we have to do is click here and send to. You can send it to Pinger, and you can send it to Indexer. You can send it to the Bookmark Alpha tab over here, which posts those links over to established sites, or you can send it over to tier 2 sites. Okay, so that's what that one is doing. You can see it's a lot better than anything we've done before as far as bookmarking tools. Okay, it's very powerful. Okay, so we put in here the lazy backlinks IFTTT strategy, and I've just completed a video which covered the RSS Extreme with this channel bookmarks. Right now the RSS Extreme is working in the background here, and it's getting it's doing some RSS work on 102 videos from my YouTube channel at the click of a button. Basically I just added in here my channel name. I click this button over here a couple of times, and I've got 102 videos which I send over to RSS Extreme. From here, just click on send to and choose RSS Extreme, send it over here, and it will log into Google, and it will log into FeedBurner, and it's doing some really good stuff. Now I've got a video underneath which I'm going to replace in just a few minutes, which explains RSS Extreme in more detail. Okay, now with this, once we've got the FeedBurner links, we just click here and send over to lazy backlinks, and lazy backlinks has been covered in that video as well. And basically it's just going to take that RSS feed and it's going to build up a Web 2.0 version of WordPress.com, put in some content there from the RSS feed, and then it gets backlinked from some bookmarking sites and Tumblr and LinkedIn, etc. Okay, so that's that one covered. Let's go to the next one. Very easy project management. This is super simple. Project management is really easy. For example, if I'm a Bookmark Alpha and I want to create a new project, okay, I'll just put in here test. Now when I'm in here, I can go over to the accounts and I can choose to import. And if I want to import the same accounts as what I had before, now don't forget this is the Bookmark Alpha tab, that's for the established sites. Then I just click on import, and what that gives me, I've got 51 accounts here between those profiles. It gives me the ability to use these accounts again and again. That's the way we should be using the established sites. Okay, we don't need thousands of established accounts for sites like LiveJournal and StumbleUpon, Storify, etc. We don't need thousands. We can do with hundreds and reuse them again and again. We can reuse the accounts again and again. You can do that in the Bookmark Alpha tab. You can do that in the Tier 2 tab. If I just go and create a project, and here again, let's call this one test as well. Okay, just come over here and we can just go over to accounts. We can click on import. We can import all of those, and you can see I've pulled in 3,305 accounts just from about 7 profiles there. Did you see that? Just 7 profiles in here, 3,000 accounts. That's live accounts. That is really, really powerful stuff, guys. Very, very, very powerful stuff. Okay, that's for your Tier 2 linking. This is very, very good when we're doing SEO for websites as well, because we can just use established accounts, pretty much similar to what OnlyWire does, right? But we're giving them second tier links, those established accounts, the LiveJournal links, etc. The StumbleUpon links. We're sending hundreds and thousands of backlinks to those established bookmarking sites. Okay, so let's go over back again. Let's cover this. We'll go through every single point here. Right, we've got our own inbuilt email servers. So we've got basically account creators in here. We've got account creators. When we're using the account creator in here, let me just click up here so you can see exactly what's happening here, because it looks like we've got a lot of red failures there. But what I decided to do with these first 22 was select just the established sites, okay? Just the LiveJournals, the High5.com, Storify, StumbleUpon, etc., etc. That's all I wanted to create with these profiles here, okay? So you can choose which you want to use. So you've got very, very, very easy website management, easy account creation management as well, okay? It's really, really powerful stuff. When we come down here a little bit, then you can see I started on the Tier 2 stuff, and we've got different results down here because all the top ones are red because I didn't want to make established sites. So you get very, very, very easy website management, okay? We've got, when we're doing the account creator as well, sorry, should have mentioned, we're using our own email servers, okay? That gives us a higher success rate, but we do have to change them quite often, okay? So if sooner or later they get red flagged, they get banned, that means we just go and we're going to buy another 5 or 6 domains, we create email servers on those domains, and we just keep this flowing, okay? So, that gives us a higher success rate than what we will get if we were using Hotmail and stuff like that, okay? We just got a far better reliability by doing that, by doing our own email servers. Right, now, let's come back over, see what else we've got in here. Push button SEO strategies. Well, we've got multiple in here, guys. We've got multiple strategies in here. We're using the long tail send alpha strategy again, perfect for the Tier 2 syndication. We are going to add some networks as well at some point. We haven't got the domains for those yet, but we will be adding them. And when we're in here for the Bookmark Alpha, if I just go over to the options over here, you can see that we can automatically ping an index. We can choose to put a link in the description for the last posted URL, which makes a huge link wheel if you want. We've got, multi-threading here. We can go up to 10. We can use the long tail syndication any way that you want it according to your projects that you got in the long tail alpha. And what that means is we've got the ability to basically go after the long tail like nobody else really can, because we're using modifiers, keywords, and locations, or modifiers, keywords, and additional modifiers, which gives us the ability to be able to do things like this. If you look here, it's going to take from these modifiers here. Modifiers mean words like top, recommend, best, affordable, etc. Okay, and it's taking some keywords in here. I've got dentist in here. Dentist, orthodontist, children's dentist. That's the main keywords. And then we've got locations. Now you don't need to use location. You can put an extra modifier. Okay, and I've got an example here how that works. So I've got one modifier at the beginning. The word is new. Suggest keywords, Bookmark Alpha. 3 different ways of writing it: capitalized, not capitalized, one word capitalized. And here I put things like social bookmarking tools, social bookmarking software, etc. Okay, you can even put the vendor name in there as well. Okay, and you can hit the preview here, and you can see it's got all these different variations. Now we've added that you can export these, so if you want to use them somewhere else, you can do that as well. Okay, really powerful stuff. Very, very few people can compete with that kind of optimization for the long tail, because you know, most of them are commercial intent keywords. If you just take take a look at some of these, best dentist in London W1, for example, it's a commercial intent keyword. Best orthodontist in Mayfair, London, it's a commercial intent keyword. Best dentist London, a little bit wide, a little bit too sort of generic. Affordable dentist London, best dentist Mayfair London, etc. These are all commercial intent keywords. Now, I don't know anybody else that's got a tool that really goes after those long tail commercial intent keywords in the same way that we do, using this strategy. So we've got multiple SEO strategies already built in for you and made push button easy. Okay, so I could go on and on and on, but the video is going to keep going on a little bit longer than what you probably want. So take a look down here. We've got live links checkers and all that kind of stuff. We've built this out to be an exceptionally good tool, and it's going to keep getting better. Okay, so the price point of $197. Okay, some people are saying, well, it seems a little bit pricey. Other bookmark tools are not as much, but they don't have our strategies in there. They don't have what we are planning to put in here as well. They don't have things like the RSS Extreme. They don't have the ability to get links to every single video you've got on your YouTube channel. Plus, we can use this for websites as well. We've got, you know, the long tail syndication. We're doing link rules. We're doing all kinds of stuff in here, guys. And you know, these kind of tools, they really should be selling no less than $197. And some people would actually say you should be charging a lot more. It takes a lot of preparation to build this out. It takes a lot of planning, it takes a lot of work and a lot of testing and stuff like that. And we keep adding to it and keep making it better. But what I will do for you, if this is for one computer license, if you want a 2 computer license, I'm going to make it available another button where you can buy 2 computer license for just $227, but for 7 days, and then I will put the price up for that as well. And this is for lifetime version. Okay, this is not recurring. This is a lifetime version where you can use this, you know, forever. Okay, and we will keep making it better as well. Okay, you start out with Video Send Alpha. We're still doing updates, even up to the day before we released this one. We were still doing updates in Video Send Alpha. Okay, so that's the way it works with our tools. We're doing less releases now, less launches, but we're doing bigger and better tools, properly thought out, a lot of work put into them. And 197, guys, is a steal. Really is a steal. If other people had this, they would be selling it for, you know, $500, $1,000, $2,000. In fact, some parts of our software are being sold, you know, some strategies within our software probably being sold in a funnel for, you know, $500 or something like that. And that's just, you know, they're getting customers, they're getting people buying it. People can see the value if the strategies are good. Okay, so I've tried to stack the value as good as I could. Okay, it is going to keep getting better. The price, I think, is fair for an alpha tool. This is an alpha tool. This is the second alpha tool that we've done. It's extremely good quality. Okay, so don't balk at the price, because it's going to go into recurring after 7 days. And the only way that you can get to it after 7 days is if you take a recurring option. Today and for the next 6 days, you can get, basically you can get the lifetime version. Okay, and we will just keep improving it. Okay, so that's it. Nothing much more I want to add in here. We've already nearly 50 minutes in this video, so I don't want to carry on any longer. I've thrown a nice little bonus in here for you as well for all the SEO guys. This is a good WordPress plugin that works really well to give you better management of your external links on your WordPress sites. Okay, so you can see we've really put the work in. We've really stacked the value. It's a good tool, and I'm going to put another button here, 227, if you want a 2 computer license. Okay, and we'll make it as nice a deal for you as we possibly can. But after 7 days, the price has to go up, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.